walking through the city of Wuppertal in Germany. Wuppertal on a calm, beautiful New Year Saturday afternoon. It's an artist doing his thing. People. Saturday is usually a busy day. A lot of people around, artists playing stuff. We're visiting the famous Schwebebahn. And people coming from the station. Let's check it out. The trains look like one of them is leaving already. Alright, so it looks like do not cross, do not enter. That's the architecture of the Schwebebahn. Like a hanging bridge, that's what the coming train looks like. That's how it looks like, big. Oh, that's okay. That's it. That's how it looks like from the inside. People coming in as well. I'm gonna take a ride. It's pretty beautiful inside. I'm gonna take a ride. Try to come back. Gives us a chance to explore the city of Wuppertal.
Sie erreichen von hier die historische Stadthalle und das Luisenviertel.
You can see the train is pretty hanging and shaking. Okay. Yeah, so that's what it looks like from this side. That's the top of the train. So watching. Go out here. That's Wuppertal, city of Wuppertal from the Schwebebahn. Goes all the way out there. We're gonna go the other way and try to find our way back. So there's actually a zoo here. That's the direction of the zoo. As you can see, you go by car. You can actually use the Schwebebahn to get closer. Otherwise, the Schwebebahn goes from this other way. And go back to catch the next one. It's okay. It's fine. Wuppertal, North Rhine-Westphalia in Germany.